What's up, everybody? This is Danny Mathematics here with another example to explore. And today, guys, real quick, I want to go over example 8 and example 9 of how to find the measurements of the interior angles within a triangle, okay? Now, just like the other examples that I presented on the page, guys, on my channel, we all know that every triangle equals 180 degrees, meaning that these three interior angles must equal 180 degrees. So that's why for example 8 and example 9, I already have this operation built in, okay? We're gonna have an angle 1 plus an angle 2 plus an angle 3, which all equals 180 degrees, okay? So what we need to do is, guys, we need to go ahead and label our angles. I'm gonna label this one as angle 1 up here, the negative 7x. Okay, I'm gonna label this one angle 2, the negative 6x. Okay, and I'm gonna label the negative 23x as angle 3. Okay? Let me just circle them so you can see. So that's angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. Now, all we're gonna do is, guys, we're gonna plug into this formula, right? All right, so angle 1 is negative 7. So let me go ahead and put that. So that's negative 7x. All right, plus, right, the next one, angle 2, which is negative 6x. Now, because we're adding a negative, we got to put that in a parentheses, okay? So we're going to put that in the parentheses. So we're going to have a negative 6x. So plus a negative 6x. And then we're going to assume take it out the parentheses, but I don't want to confuse anybody. That's why I'm doing it like this. All right, plus, all right, angle 3, which is negative 23x, negative 23x. So it's going to be plus a parentheses, negative 23x. Okay, equals 180. Okay, equals 180 degrees, all right? Now, remember, guys, all right, basically just plus a parentheses negative 6x is just like saying 1 or positive 1 times negative 6, right, x, which is negative 6x, right? So we're going to rewrite this as minus 6x, okay? Because a positive and a negative turns into a subtraction sign, right? So we're going to say minus 6x. Okay? And of course, guys, we still got 7x, or negative 7x in the front. Okay? Same thing for here, guys. A positive and a negative creates a subtraction sign. So that's actually going to just be minus 23. So plus a negative 23x is just like saying minus 23x. Okay? And I see that I have all negative coefficients, all right, which we're going to add them like positives, but we're going to keep the negative sign. Okay? Now, since all of these are like terms, what we're going to do is we're going to add them all up like positives, but we're going to keep the negative sign, all right? So I have negative 7 plus negative 6 plus negative 23, right, equals negative 36. Or same thing as you see, negative 7 minus 6 minus 23 equals a negative 36. So that's going to be a negative 36x. Okay, equals 180. Okay. Now, in order for us to find out the true value of x, we got to divide both sides by the coefficient that's attached to x, which is negative 36. So negative 36x divided by negative 36 is just x, and then 180 divided by negative 36, right? And let me make it just be red so you know it's negative. All right, we're going to find that out. So 180 divided by negative 36 is a negative 5. So x equals a negative 5. X equals negative 5, all right? But remember, guys, this is not the final answer. This is not the final answer. Because yes, we solve for x, but now we need to plug in x to solve for each angle, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna substitute each x for -5, all right? So right here at angle 3 is gonna be -23 times the parentheses -5. Here is gonna be, at angle 2 is gonna be -6 times the parentheses -5. And here at angle 1 is gonna be -7 times parentheses -5, all right? So all we did was we substituted x for its true value, okay? Now we can go ahead and start solving, okay? Angle 1, okay? Angle 1, right? -7 times -5 is a positive 35. It's a positive 35. So that's a positive 35 degrees. Remember, a negative times a negative is a positive. So that's a positive 35, all right? Angle 2, okay? -6 times a -5 is a positive 30. It's a positive 30, so that's gonna be a positive 30. Okay? And then angle 3, angle 3, that's gonna be -23 times -5. I believe that is 20 times 5 is 100. 5 times 3 is 15, so that's 115, okay? So that's a positive 115. Yes, that's a positive 115, guys. And we know this is true, guys, if all of these add up to 180. So I'm gonna add them up just to make sure. 35 plus 30 plus 115 equals 180 degrees. Equals 180 degrees, okay? So we have successfully solved to find out the measurements of each interior angle. So once again, angle 1 is 35 degrees, angle 2 is 30 degrees, and angle 3 is 115 degrees. All right, so this is our answer. Or these are our answers. All right, thank y'all so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm actually gonna upload example 9 in its own video. Thank you.